What's up guys, Sagi here and welcome to another Tech Gear Talk. Today I want to talk to you about the Sony WH-1000X M2 wireless noise cancelling headphones. An enhanced version of the Sony MDR1000X, the 1000X M2 were introduced in June of 2017. Now this set of business grade headphones has a lot going for it, from its eye-catching minimal design and super sound quality to its impressive list of features that will appeal to your inner tech geek. Plenty to talk about, so let's dive right in. As far as packaging, the exterior is clean and straightforward, and once you open the exterior box, you'll get to see a nice black cardboard box reminiscent of a hardcover book. And this gives a really nice and premium feel to this packaging. Now, along with the headphones themselves, there is a micro USB charging cable, a carrying case, and an in-flight adapter for airplane travel. My goal with every product review is to give you a detailed overview of the product features in a way that relates to real-life use. And if you find it helpful, please let me know by giving it a like and then hitting the subscribe and notification buttons for more headphones and tech reviews. I'll also include some links in the description to where you can get the 1000X M2 and at the same time help support my channel for free, and I thank you in advance. So let's keep going. The design of the M2 is very similar to its predecessor, but it's even more streamlined with fewer buttons. If you prefer a sleek, modern aesthetic, this will definitely appeal to you. The headphone's subtle semi-matte gold that I chose to go with stands out from the typical black or white options without being too in your face. And this muted gold straddles the line between champagne and beige. The headphones are mostly plastic with polished metal on the headband and synthetic leather on the earpieces. And the cushioning is a polyurethane foam. Now, Sony's engraved logo above each earpiece is discreet and clean. The right ear cup has touch control and the micro USB port at the bottom, and the left ear cup has the on-off button and the noise cancellation button. The ear cups have a slight texturing on the outside, which I really like. It gives it a really nice feel. The adjustable headband is made of a hardier metal than the previous models, and it should keep it from cracking long term, which was a complaint about the MDR1000X. The charging cable comes in matching gold, and the ear cups fold inward for storage in the included carrying case. The case is great for travel. It's semi-rigid and it's easy to open and close with a zipper. Now, comfort is so important in a pair of headphones for everyday use, and the Mark II is definitely no slouch in that department. These over-the-ear headphones nestle comfortably against the head thanks to generous ear cup cushions and a padded bottom on the metal bridge. And I found that the synthetic leather ear cups remain cool even after hours of use. The Mark IIs weigh in just under 10 ounces, which means that it has enough heft to feel sturdy, but won't cause any neck strain. If comfort is your primary concern, then something like the Bose QC35 Mark II may be the slightly better option. However, you'll still be able to use the 1000X M2 for hours on end with almost no discomfort. These are a great option for a long day working in the office, an extended running session, or an international flight. But comfort isn't just reserved for feel, it means ease of use, and in this respect, the Mark II is very impressive. It has touch surface controls on the right that allow you to control the volume, select tracks, play, pause, rewind, forward, and then accept and end calls. And it also lets you re-engage ambient sound. Now, cupping your right ear over the earpiece will instantly turn down the volume and turn off noise cancellation so you can quickly re-engage with your surrounding. You can also activate hands-free calling when you double tap the side of the headphones. There is a learning curve to these features though, because most people are used to traditional buttons for controlling volume, skipping tracks, etc. And it might take you a few days before you get the hang of these sensitive controls. Let's move on to sound. So the main upgrades from the MDR1000X can be found under the hood and leading to noticeable improvement in sound clarity. There are a total of 4 microphones in the headphones and the outer ear cups. Noise cancellation is superb. In fact, the Mark II is arguably the best noise canceling headphones on the market right now.
on. Ambient Sound. Off. Noise cancelling.
It's so good that it takes some getting used to when you're taking phone calls because it could be disconcerting to not hear your own voice. Luckily, there's an impressive amount of options to customize your ambient sound based on your unique environment. And this is all done through the easy-to-use Sony Headphones Connect mobile app. The Mark II is the first headphones to offer atmospheric pressure optimizing. A built-in sensor can read surrounding barometric pressure, and the headphones drivers and noise-canceling microphones respond accordingly. And if you're someone who flies a lot, this could be a huge selling point for you. The headphones can scan the side of your head to determine things like head size, hair, or glasses that might be interfering with the ear cup's seal. And then they adjust the ambient noise level to account for this. Built-in accelerometers on your phone will tell the app whether you're in transit, walking, or sitting, and that will alter the noise cancellation as needed. For example, if you're in walking mode, you can hear more ambient noise so that you can stay aware of your surroundings. In transit mode, the noise cancellation jumps up to the max, and I think this is a very cool feature. As far as sound quality, the MDR-1000X was already top tier, and the Mark II continues this tradition. It's hard to find better sound canceling headphones anywhere on the market. The Mark II's 40mm drivers give good bass definition and dynamic sound, meaning the music is crisp without losing depth. The quality of the sound over Bluetooth has been improved, and the Mark II uses Bluetooth 4.1 with LDAC and is compatible with aptX HD, meaning that it can play high-resolution audio up to 24-bit 96 kHz. It also supports DSE-HX and S-Master-HX, which will convert lower resolution audio from any source into near high resolution. That means that something like your MP3s is going to sound even better. Now, the app equalizer lets you tweak sound quality and surround sound. There's also a unique virtual surround positioning feature that aims to recreate different music listening scenarios. So things like outdoor concerts, clubs, arenas, etc. And if you're in a place with a poor connection, you can adjust your settings to prioritize connection stability over sound quality. Now, if you're someone that finds such an extreme level of sound customization unnecessary or gimmicky, you may prefer a more streamlined set of headphones than the Mark II. But people who appreciate the latest sound technology will be able to play for hours. Now, the Mark II also has a built-in microphone for taking phone calls. However, the sound when being used as a headset wasn't as clear. This could be an issue for professionals who will be taking lots of phone calls on the go. Now, the Sony WH-1000X Mark II can be plugged into any audio device or used wirelessly with devices enabled with Bluetooth 4.1. The battery can last up to 30 hours of Bluetooth streaming music with noise cancellation. And to get the headphones to charge to 100% takes about 4 hours. The other option is if you're plugged in, the battery can last up to 40 hours. Now, if you're in a pinch and you just need a quick charge, the Mark II can be charged in 10 minutes to give you up to 70 minutes of use. As far as battery life, this is definitely an improvement over the previous model, but it's still disappointing to see that the Mark II's battery isn't replaceable. Now, something that's disappointing about lots of headphones these days, and I mentioned before, there's no USB-C charging. We're trying to move ahead here, so let's all try to get on the same page. All right, to recap some of the pros and cons, as far as pros, we have a sleek design, interesting touch features, best-in-class customizable noise cancellation, atmospheric pressure optimization, which is great for air travel, outstanding sound, an app that greatly enhances user experience, improved battery life, and a reasonable price for all of these features at around $350. The downside is it's not as comfortable as some of the competing models. The touch controls take some getting used to, and there could be too many customization features for some consumers. The sound could be better when used as a headset, the battery isn't replaceable, and it charges using a micro USB instead of a USB-C. And finally, I want to mention that the 1000X Mark III model is out now for those who want the latest and greatest. Competing wireless noise cancellation headphones from Bose may beat the 1000X Mark II slightly in the comfort department. But the Mark II's superior sound quality, excellent noise cancellation, and impressive list of user-friendly features give Bose a run for their money. If you want top sound quality, excellent noise cancellation with effortless customization, the 1000X Mark II is for you. And with the holiday season just around the corner, the 1000X Mark II is a perfect gift for any audiophile who loves to tinker or a professional who travels a lot for work. Check out the links below if you're interested in picking up a pair for yourself or as a gift, and at the same time help support my channel for free and allow me to create more content. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I hope that you found this review of the Sony WH-1000X Mark II wireless noise cancelling headphones to be helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and then sharing it with your friends. If you haven't already, you can keep up with my latest videos by hitting the subscribe and notification buttons. You can also always find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Tech Gear Talk. Like I always say, buy it nice or buy it twice. Good luck and see you soon.